Okay, first thing we're going to do is make a biz folder on our desktop and in our documents. We're going to link them together. So I'm going to double click on my name in the top left-hand corner here. And then I'm going to open up documents. I can do that by coming to this folder here or even coming to the list off to the side. You can see what I have here. I have a underscore biz, underscore keep, underscore language arts, Lego, math, robotics, science. I would eventually like you guys to have folders for all your stuff. The keep is for like 6th grade stuff. Some of you might want to keep some of your 4th grade stuff. But we just need to clean up the folders a little bit. So we need to create an underscore biz folder. So what you do is come right over here to this yellow folder in the top left-hand corner. You click once and you'll get a new folder down at the bottom. Now, we put the underscore so that the folder will appear at the top of the list. So you can call it bus info or you can call it biz info. So if you want to spell it with a I think that's what I'm going to do. An I and a Z, right? Haven't we talked about that? Biz info, there we go. Underscore biz info. Press enter. And then what you want to do is right click on it. And we're going to create a shortcut. Now this shortcut will appear at the bottom. And this way, we can click and hold and drag it to our desktop. And it'll appear right here. Now those folders are linked. So whatever goes on in this folder will happen in this folder, which is good because these folders and information inside your documents will get backed up, will get saved, will forever and ever be there. Sometimes, you know, your shortcuts here, or if it's not a shortcut and it's just a folder, it won't back up and it won't save. So you got to be careful. You want to make sure to, you know, it could be lost or, but let's refresh and you can see that my biz info folder just appears right here. And whatever goes on inside this folder, you will be able to access. All right, part 2. Go ahead and bring up the KPPBSD website. And let's see, it's right here for me. And then you're going to go to Google Drive. So we'll go to our Drive folder and go ahead and log in. Okay, so bringing up our drive, and I think I might have something in here. There we go. So there are those folders that, or I'm sorry, not folders, but documents. And so these documents are, we need to turn them in to the assignment turn-in folder. So everybody has one on their desktop. Called assignment turn-in folder. So in order to do that, you need to right click on the document that you're turning in, go to download, and at the bottom of the screen you are going to get a download window that looks like this. Okay, so I just downloaded this document. I'm going to go ahead and click on the shark's tooth. And I'm going to show in folder. Okay, so these are my downloads. You can see I'm in the download folder right here. And now from here, I am going to go ahead and put this completed letter into my biz folder. Okay, so I open up my biz info folder and all I do is take it from the downloads, click, hold, drag, and I put it over here. Now one of the things that I do is I have my download folder according to date modified. If I went ahead and had it by name, you can see that, you know, I have some old stuff in here. I have some things that I'm not using right now or downloads that I'm not worried about. But I want to have it date modified so that what I'm working on will appear at the tippy top. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and close my download. Now I have my BizInfo. Okay, so it's in my BizInfo folder. Now watch, just to show you, I'm going to close my BizInfo folder, and I'm going to go down to this shortcut here. I double click on the shortcut. Ta-da! You can see that I put it in my Biz folder inside my documents, but whatever happened to this folder here happens to this folder in there, and whatever happens to this folder here happens to this folder here. So here we go, Church Shelley Jones. Okay, so I'm turning in this document into the assignment turn-in folder. So I open up the assignment turn-in folder, I open up Church Drop, I open up Biz Drop, and this is where I put it. Okay, so now I click this, I hold it, I drag it, and I put it in. Now folks, you will not be able to edit this folder at all. Okay, so if you drop something into here, I am the only one that's going to be able to edit it and move it around. So please make sure to be mindful of that, and you will, if you drop something in here, you'll have to, and you need to delete it, just tell me, and I will delete it. Okay? All right, so that is how you turn something in. So I'm going to run through the steps again. So just in case you want to watch it again, or if you missed something. So here I am I bring up my Convoy of Hope this time. Right click, download. It appears right here. Go to the Shark's Tooth, show in folder. Appears at the top. I'm going to move it off to the side. I'm going to get rid of my drive. Open up my shortcut. Drag Convoy in. Open up assignment turn-in folder. Church Drop. Biz Drop. Drag Convoy. All right, that's how you turn assignments into this class in order to get your 10 points for your letter. Have a good day.